Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today is a very hot day. Look at that, look at the sky. It's so clear and so bright. The sun is very bright today. Today, Mystica gonna show you something. Mystica has a lot of cards for you to read today. So, how are you today everyone? Are you feeling good? Good job then. Please remember to stay safe and take care of your health, okay? Drink a lot of water, take vitamins, drink a lot of, oh my god, eat a lot of fruits and veggies also, okay? So this week we are learning about animals, right? Especially tame animal. Do you know what is tame animal? Tame animals in Indonesia, in bahasa Indonesia, tame animal is binatang jinak. Apa sih binatang jinak itu? What is tame animal? Tame animal is nice animals that you can pet. Yang bisa kita pegang, bisa kita kasih makan. We often see them at the zoo or maybe at an aquarium, like that. Okay. So sometimes you also see this kind of animal at home as a pet animal. Okay, can you guess what are they? Can you guess what kind of animal Mystica gonna show you today? Yeah, let's see one by one, okay? First one, Mystica has this one. What is it, everyone? Do you know what is it? Let's read it together. There is word below the picture. This is a cat. What is it? Cat. Good job. What is it, everyone? Cat. Very good. Next one. Mystica has this one. What is it? Let's read it together. Cow. Cow. Good job. Cow. This is a cow. Good job. Next one. Mystica has this one. What is it, everyone? Duck. Good job. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. Good job. Next one. Mystica has this one. Also start with letter D. Dog. 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 Good job. Dog. And next one, Mystica has this one. What is it? Bird. 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 Good job, everyone. You have to listen and repeat after Mystica, okay? This one, Mystica has this. Pig. 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 Good job. This is a pig. Good job. Mystica also has this one. Whoops! There is wind. Wait. What is it? Fish. 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 Good job. Mystica has this one for the next animal. What is it? Can you read it? The words? Sheep. 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 Good job, sheep. Sheep. Next one. The next animal is this one. What is it? Let's read it together. Turtle. 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 Good job. Next one. This is a very cute animal. Do you know what is it? Can you guess? Rabbit. 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 Good job. This one also very cute for Mystica. Mystica like this animal. What is it? Dolphin. 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 Good job. The last animal, all of you already know this animal. What is it? Butterfly. Good job. This is a butterfly. What is it? Butterfly. Good job everyone Very good. Alright, everyone. Let's start with the first animal, alright? Wait. Do you know what is it? What animal is it? This is a pig. What is it? Pig. Good job. What is it? I can hear you. Louder, please. Can you say it louder? Good job. This is a pig. Very good. How about this one? What is it, everyone? What is it? This is a... What is it? Bird. Good job. Bird. This is a bird. Very good. And then, let me see. How about this one? What is it, everyone? What animal is it? This is a... What is it? Dog. Very good. This is a dog. Alright. This is a dog. Good job. How about this one? What is it? What is it? What is it? This is a duck. Good job. Duck. Duck. Good job. This is a duck. Good job. And then, how about this one? How about this one, everyone? What is it? This is a... What is it? Cow. Good job. Cow. Good job. This is a cow. Yes. Nice. This one? This is a super cute animal. Miss Tika really likes this animal. What is it? Oh, so cute. Look at those eyes, everyone. Oh, the eyes is so cute, so round and so clear. Super cute, right? This is a cat. Good job. This is a cat, everyone. What is it? Cat. Very good. Thumbs up for you. How about this one? Wait, this one. What is it? What is it? What is it? This is a fish. Good job. What is it? Fish. Good job. Apa? Coba louder, please. Fish. Good job, everyone. Again. How about this one? What is it? What is it? Rabbit. Good job. Apa ini apa? Rabbit. Rabbit. Good job. Rabbit. Hop around. Hop around. This is a rabbit. Good job. This is rabbit. And then this one. Where is it? Oh. What is it, everyone? This is a butterfly. Very good. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. What is it? Butterfly. Very good, everyone. The last one. Oh, is it the last one? Not yet, yeah. This one. What is it, everyone? Turtle. What is it? Turtle. Good job. This is a turtle. Good job, everyone. The last one. I think this is the last one, yeah? The last one. Wait. This is the last animal for us today. What is it? Dolphin. What is it? Dolphin. Good job. This is a dolphin. Good job, everyone. Wow, you did a great job. Alright, everyone. So all those animals that we learned today are tame animals. Animals that are nice and we can pet them or feed them also. And usually we found this kind of animal in the zoo or in the aquarium if you ever be in some aquarium over there. And also some of this animal you can take it to your home as your pet. Good job! Alright everyone, you did a really good job today. Try to listen and repeat the words after Mystica, okay? Can you practice it at home? Good job then everyone. Bye bye. See you again in the next video with Mystica.